have a car on fire right there. Dang. Right in the parking lot of Marriott Hotel. This car just went on fire.
Hey guys, we just passed 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate every single one of your support throughout these years. If you're a new subscriber, thank you as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I have some really exciting plans in the near future, so stay tuned for that. And let's get back to real life GTA server.
Guys, world starts back right here. Just a half-naked guy cleaning his chrome gold Corvette. Yep. Gotta make that car shiny. Yeah. Even got the stools. Nice. Yo guys, we just got an accident right there. Yo, random spot in Pasadena. So I'm up in the Hollywood Hills, and guess what I just spotted? A random Rolls Royce and a Aventador SV. Pretty casual. Yo guys, we got a commercial building fire right here. Jesus. Wow. We got the helicopter right above there. Got all the traffic going on. Jeez. Wow, look at all the smoke. Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes now and the fire is still going on, and we got at least 4 police helicopters in the sky right there. seat in the house. Front row seat of the fire. Got the helicopter as well. Alright guys, I am in flip-flop on the tree. Front row seat right here. Well guys, this is after 2 hours of fire update. Still going on. Influencers in the wild.
Life is very precious. Now, folks,
Look at that. That's how you do it. Guys, I'm just casually riding my bike here, and there's like 2 cowboys riding horses here in LA. I've never seen this before. Got a fire going on. Welcome to LA, a real life GTA server. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. Oh gosh. That is some huge house fire right there. Guys, I cannot make this shit up. Literally just 1 a.m. in the morning, this house went on fire. Hope everyone's safe. We got the whole firefighter crews here. Got like 10 fire trucks.
Your destination is on the right.
we got fire going on. I'm not sure what's going on, but let's check it out. The real life online GTA server right here. Welcome to Los Angeles. House fire. Welcome to LA. Just a random peacock right in the middle of the road. Like a boss. Look at it. What a baller. No fucks given. Hey there. What's up, dude? There's another one. What in the world? Literally just peacocks in the middle of the road. Yo, there's literally another one right there. Fire going on. Welcome to LA, where there's smoke coming out from this building, firefighter putting out the fire, and the cops blocking out the street, and you got people chilling here in the park. Yep. Got fire going on right there. What's the cop doing there? Searching for something.